In a momentous day for Tura, the state government, led by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, handed out appointment letters to 458 recently recruited government lower primary school teachers. This development follows a prolonged hiatus in the hiring process and aligns with the implementation of the roster system. Addressing the gathering, Conrad Sangma emphasized the MDA government's dedication to enhancing education in rural areas. The recruitment of qualified teachers is expected to significantly boost students' performance from a young age, thereby elevating the overall standard of education throughout the state. Sangma urged upon the teachers to remain steadfast in their commitment to students, fulfill their duties as educators, and establish robust foundations of knowledge in the lives of the state's children.
We have Shri Balna Born G. Momin. Number 35, we have Balna Born G. Momin. The parent number is NGH G35. Number 26, we have Shrimati Marchira D. Shira. Parent number NGH G25. Parent number NGH G25. Number 26, we number NGHG19. NGHUR8. Number 9, we have Shrimati Walno CH Momin.
Education has been at the center of the transformative story that we are trying to make, the kind of vision that we have for our state, what we are working day in and day out to achieve. It has been 50 years of our statehood, 52 years to be precise. Gone through many challenges. Some things didn't work out the way we expected, some moving in the line that we would wish. But it has been a very eventful journey. But in the last 5 years, our government has been very focused and moving with a vision of really wanting to take our state forward. I always listen and always hear people talk, especially us tribals and northeast people, not trying to underestimate or undermine anybody, so please don't misunderstand me. But we sometimes tend to take ourselves very lightly. Oh, we are tribals, what can we do? Oh, we are a backward state, and we'll never move forward. Oh, our education system is one of the worst. Oh, we have no roads. I don't know why we think like that. And if there's one thing that I want to tell every one of you, not just the teachers, every single citizen of the state, if we want the change, then number one, we have to be the change. And number two, you start with changing your mindset and your